Hi, how's it going, guys? So today we're gonna be hopping into a few matches, or a match of Bounty, and then after that we're gonna be opening 7 normal boxes, as you saw on the screen, and then a big box. So I've been saving for the past 3 days, I think, and it took quite a while, but it's worth it. I really want you guys to enjoy this video, and we are going. Oh, that's gonna be fun to try and win. But anyways, I'm using Jesse, I believe. Yeah, Jesse. And I'm gonna go for the star. So nobody really went for the star. I've never seen that really happen. It gives you a little bit of an extra boost. And whenever you kill somebody, or I don't know, dispatch them, I don't know how to say it. But anyways, whenever you dispatch somebody, it gives you the stars that they had, or at least half of them. I'm not quite sure how it all works yet. And then you get on your scoreboard thingy, you get the stars that they had. I like to do is to just kind of pin them down with Jesse, because it hits them all if it hits one, or at least it tries to. And then when you hit, I think you have to get 6 hits with the little ball thing, I don't know.
Where will I put
you
my
can
friend?
get your special ability. I'm not quite sure, don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. And then you just throw the little thing down, and it pins them down behind the line. It's great in Gem Grab, and also in Heist. You can down over the wall, and it will hit the safe. And I never really realized this before, just the right characters. And there's the room. I didn't get the star player or anything, but it was very around. Now let's get into some boxes. I'm trying to unlock a character today, but unlocking a character is very hard to do, and I don't know. I'll try and record every box I unlock to try and just give you guys an update on unlocking a character. I can't promise it though. Oh, there's the nothing really special going on right now, so I'll be able to upgrade some characters. Oh, Shelly's really high level already, so it's gonna be a pain to try and upgrade. Now on to the big box. And then for tickets, I haven't gotten any tickets. I'm supposed to get them from boxes, but now I'm gonna upgrade my penny because it's very good at pinning people down too, like I said before. And we're coming up on the end of the video, so thanks for watching. So this is what the next video is gonna look like.